How did famous auto accident cases change the law? Imagine a case where a car manufacturer knew about a dangerous defect but chose profit over safety. These stories have shaped how personal injury claims are handled today. When someone gets hurt in a vehicle-related accident, the law now looks closely at whether the vehicle was defective or if the company acted recklessly. One of the most famous cases is Grimshaw versus Ford Motor Company. It involved the Ford Pinto, which had a fuel tank flaw that could cause failures in rear-end crashes. Ford knew about this defect but decided not to fix it to save money. The jury awarded large punitive damages, which are meant to punish bad behavior. This case made car companies more careful about safety and led to stricter safety standards. It also resulted in a recall of the Pinto and set a precedent that companies can be held responsible for knowingly endangering consumers. Another case that changed the law is Berg versus Nationwide Mutual Insurance Company. It clarified how insurance policies should be interpreted in personal injury claims. The court ruled that insurance companies cannot deny coverage based on technicalities or vague contract language. This decision made insurance companies more transparent and fair when handling auto accident claims. Then there is the Liebeck versus McDonald's case, which involved a woman scalded by hot coffee. Although not a vehicle case, it highlighted that companies must warn consumers about dangers. This led to better safety warnings and labeling, principles that also apply to vehicle safety features. Cases involving defective vehicles that caused serious injuries, like the General Motors fuel tank explosion, have pushed manufacturers to improve safety design. Large verdicts in these cases have pressured automakers to make vehicles safer. These landmark cases have changed the law by encouraging thorough investigations of vehicle defects and corporate negligence. They support claims for punitive damages when companies act recklessly. They also influence insurance companies to be more fair and transparent. In the end, these cases have expanded what injured drivers and passengers can claim. They have made manufacturers more accountable for vehicle safety and clarified how insurance coverage works. All of this helps protect victims and makes vehicle-related accidents less dangerous in the future.